Welcome back to our channel, guys. Yes, I can say welcome back. Today we are going to see how to draw a rectangle in Fusion 360. For that, just click this icon file because we need to create a new design. Control plus N is a shortcut for that, and you can see this screen. Now create sketch, and you need to assign which plane. I'm going to assign top plane and this rectangle. You need to click, and here you could see rectangle shape. Click this, and where you want to draw a rectangle, place that cursor there and click it, and you can assign the length and breadth here. Yeah, that's the video. No, it's not. There's three types of rectangle you need to know. First one, just click the create here, and rectangle. It's now what we drawn. It's a 2 point rectangle. I need to show you how to draw a center rectangle. This center rectangle is same as rectangle, but it's drawn in different way. Like you need to assign a center point, and from that point you need to draw the rectangle. It's a center point rectangle. And third option, you have 3 point rectangle. Here you need to assign 2 points. First, I'm assigning here first point, second point, and you need to adjust the length. That's it. And after that you need to assign dimension, like I shown here. It's a 150. If you need 50, it's possible. Oh, it looks like square. Okay, this one I'm going to draw with 80. That's it. It's a rectangle, but you could see why it's shown in green color, right? Because it's just hanging, right? So it's seen in blue color. If you wasn't with the axis, it's changed into black color. That's all. That's about this video, guys. If you need any video, just keep it in comment section. I can know that, and I will make a video for you guys. Come on.